Yep, we hit 200 subscribers and this rain won't stop. I got a bunch of meat. I'm about to get these leaves off my grills, spark it up. We ain't gonna let the rain stop us. Let's get it. Yep, we hit 200 subscribers. I just want to say thanks to everybody from 0 all the way to, it's sitting at about 203 right now. I'm extremely excited about the progress I'm making with the channel. I couldn't have done it without each and every person that subscribed to the channel. Thank you for everything you did so far. We're gonna have us a celebration barbecue up in here. I'm gonna make some gumbo greens. It's on, let's go. Yep, so we sparking it up. We're gonna let nothing stop us. Get these coals going, get them moved over to the smoker. We got nice big slab of Louisiana style ribs. We got some Italian sausage. I got some pork steaks. I got a whole chicken. I got some chicken legs. I think that might be it. But we're gonna showcase them gumbo greens today too. So it's going down like that. Let's go. This is what we got going on. We got the shells and cheese just to make it easy. I didn't want to bother my wife with the homemade mac, so she got the day off. I'm going hardcore, 200 subscribers. So I got some chicken legs. I got that whole chicken. I got a nice slab spare rib. That's what I forgot right here. I got these turkey legs too. I'm putting them out there. 3 turkey legs, some pork steaks, the Italian sausage. This steak right here, that's going in with my gumbo greens. So for my gumbo greens, I got that steak I'm gonna put in there, and then I got this beef bacon. It's gonna be laced throughout my green, and then I got this chicken andouille sausage and then bell peppers. I'm rolling with some collards and some kale. We're gonna have a mixed greens gumbo style. So that's the way it's going down today. First thing I'm gonna do is get all my meat clean, get that steak boiling on there for my greens, get my greens cleaned up, cut up and everything, and then we're going from there and get that meat out there on that grill. All right, so I got all my meat clean and ready to go out on the grill. This is my ribs. This is pretty much my pork plate. I got my pork steaks back there too, with that one slab. And then I got this, after I trimmed up my ribs, those are the things that I cut off, but they still going out there and getting smoked though. And then here go my chicken. I got that whole chicken cut in half. And then I got 3 turkey legs in there, and then my chicken legs. And what I did was I went with the triple blend plus the liquid smoke. And then I used garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, garlic, and herb seasoning. And that's how it's going down. Now let me get these things out here on this grill and get them smoking. See. So I got all the meat out here now. Just want you to take a look. I got them whole chickens. Well, the half chickens, the whole chicken I cut in half. Chicken legs, circling it around. Them turkey legs, that slab, those pieces I cut off the slab. My pork steaks. It's on, everything's looking good. Shut the lid, get it smoked. I'm great to get my greens clean, and I'm gonna spare you the trouble of watching me do all that. But when I get them done, then I'll let you see how I put them in the pot, the order that I put them in to get everything going to make these gumbo greens. So first of all, I got this little steak. Now I'm gonna cut this little steak up, straight in my pot. So what I'm gonna do, I got a little chicken bouillon, I'm putting that in there. It's a nice shape chicken bouillon in there. Then I'm coming with garlic powder. Nice shake of that. Onion powder. Nice shake of that. Let's see. Black pepper. That's good on the black pepper. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna finish cleaning my greens, but I'm gonna add a little water, a little more water to this and get it boiling. And then I'll be adding my greens to the pot as I go. So I got my chicken andouille. Put my pan up with a little cooking spray real quick. Then I'm gonna take my chicken andouille before I put it in with the greens, and I'm gonna fry it. This way I can get a nice firm crisp outside on my sausage before I add it to the greens. Have a nice firm texture to the outside of my sausage while I'm eating my greens. So once I got my greens all clean, I'm gonna take it right over the pot. I'm gonna cut my greens into the pot. Right into my pot like that. Then I'm gonna take three strips of my beef bacon. And just lay them across. just like that. Then I'm gonna take some more greens. Same thing. Put some more greens in there. Then I'm gonna go 3 more strips of that beef bacon until I get it all in here. That's how you do that. All right, my greens started boiling, so that means I'm gonna crank it down. The medium is halfway, so I'm going in between low and medium. So it's number 3 right there. And that's where I'm gonna live, right there. Got them all in there. Now we just let this pot simmer. It's full of goodness. As a matter of fact, what I'm gonna do, real quick, I'm gonna add just a little more of my chicken bouillon, just to make sure I got some good flavor going on in there. I just want to make sure, because I did add some water, so that's gonna make me want to add a little more of that broth base, just to make sure my flavor is good in here. Hey, real quick before I go outside and check on this meat, I just had to mention that my wife, she really loves me. She believes in me. She believes in the channel, and she wanted to do that for me. So she got these bottles off of Amazon, and she made my seasonings look so much better. I love her for that. I just wanted to share that. All right, let's see what we got going on. Let's see. Okay, things are looking good. Starting to see some redness going on. But what I'm gonna do, I'm down to 300, and I want to crank it up a little higher. So I'm about to put another wood split up in here, so we can keep it cracking and get it done. Drop another one in here. See what we got going. So yeah, trying to get another one up in here. See, he done fell apart up in here. Look at that. So yeah, get that heat cranked back up. One more thing that I almost forgot, because it's something that I actually just started doing. But I got some greens from a different spot on Uber Eats one time, and I could taste the smokiness in those greens, and it was wonderful. So I take this liquid smoke. I did this last time. I've only made these gumbo greens twice, and they're amazing. So what I did was take my liquid smoke, squirt like that, good to go. I'm telling you, that flavor on top of everything else is amazing. So give that a shot. Liquid smoke. So yes, we got everything sauced. We flipped everything. We didn't put any sauce on those 3 turkey legs right here. Just gonna let them rock with the smoke. But everything else, It's glazed up now. That's how we're doing it. That's what it is. And so this is my last wood split. But I want to crank this up now that I painted everything with that barbecue sauce. We'll paint this. We're gonna crank this heat up and let everything go for 1 more hour with that sauce on it. That's what we doing. Oh yeah, if you thought I forgot about my Italian sausages, I did not. They in the game now. The rain would never let up, but we wouldn't let up either. So we got it going on. It's gonna go down tonight. What we did, we got them shells. It's all good. We're gonna make some plates now. Yes, the plates go crazy around here. It's 200 subscriber celebration. So this is how it's going down. That's the plate that I'm gonna serve my wife. That's gonna be mine. And these are a couple of my kids. That's how it's going down. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of y'all. Thank you for the 200 subscribers. And until we meet again,